How to Style a Red Dress, your ultimate 2025 guide to fashion-forward looks. The undeniable power of red. Why this color commands attention. Imagine walking into a room and instantly becoming the center of attention. That's the undeniable power of a red dress. Science backs this up. The color red elevates heart rates, increases adrenaline levels, and triggers an immediate psychological response that makes you appear more confident, attractive, and powerful. This isn't just fashion folklore, it's the red dress effect, a proven phenomenon that research has confirmed makes red the ultimate confidence-boosting color in your wardrobe. Studies demonstrate that wearing red clothing significantly boosts confidence, conveys power, and influences how others perceive you. In fact, red has the longest wavelength of all visible light colors, making it the most vibrant and eye-catching shade in the color spectrum. When you wear red, you're tapping into centuries of cultural symbolism and biological responses that represent passion, power, and vitality across cultures. Mastering the art of red dress styling in 2025, red dresses have transcended seasonal trends to become timeless style statements that work for every occasion, body type, and personal aesthetic. The color has reached unprecedented dominance in 2025, with red being hailed as one of the year's most defining visual statements. From the runways of major fashion houses to street-style favorites, cherry red has become 2025's unstoppable color trend. Whether you're drawn to a bold cherry red mini dress or an elegant burgundy maxi, styling red requires understanding color theory, body proportions, and the psychological impact of this commanding hue. In this comprehensive guide, we'll transform you from someone who owns a red dress into someone who masters the art of wearing it with unshakable confidence. Understanding red, the foundation of great styling. The psychology behind wearing red. When you wear red, you're accessing a color that research proves makes athletes seem more dominant and intimidating. Studies show that women feel more attractive and desirable when wearing red, while observers perceive red-wearing individuals as more dominant and successful. The psychological impact is so powerful that participants in red clothing consistently rate themselves as more attractive, even when accounting for factors like BMI or mood. The color red elicits the greatest feelings of any color in psychological testing. Red represents passion, power, and vitality across cultures while psychologically triggering associations with confidence and attractiveness. This connection between red and dominance isn't just cultural, it's biologically ingrained, as red coloration correlates with testosterone levels and dominance in various animal species. Different shades of red and their impact in 2025. Not all reds are created equal. Understanding undertones is crucial for successful styling, and 2025's red palette offers unprecedented variety. Warm reds, cherry, scarlet, tomato, feature orange and yellow undertones, perfect for spring and summer looks. These vibrant shades work beautifully with gold accessories and warm-toned makeup. Cherry red has specifically emerged as 2025's most dominant hue, transcending seasonal boundaries. Cool reds, burgundy, wine, maroon, contain blue and purple undertones ideal for fall and winter styling. These sophisticated shades pair elegantly with silver accessories and cool-toned makeup. True reds, pure, balanced reds that work across seasons and can be styled with both warm and cool accessories depending on your desired aesthetic. Choosing the perfect red dress for your body type. Understanding your body shape is essential for selecting the most flattering red dress style. Here's how to choose based on your unique proportions. Hourglass figures, embrace your curves. If you have balanced bust and hip measurements with a defined waist, you're blessed with the most versatile body type for red dresses. Bodycon and wrap dresses are your best friends as they accentuate your natural curves without overwhelming your figure. A fitted red midi dress with a V neckline showcases your proportions beautifully, while a wrap dress creates that coveted waist definition. Apple shapes create balance and definition. For apple-shaped bodies with fuller midsections, focus on styles that create a balanced silhouette. A-line and empire waist dresses are ideal choices, as they skim over the midsection while highlighting your legs. V necklines elongate your torso, while strategic ruching around the midsection can create the illusion of a more defined waist. Pear shapes balance your proportions. With narrower shoulders and wider hips, pear shapes benefit from fit and flare and off-the-shoulder styles. These designs draw attention upward while creating balance between your upper and lower body. An off-the-shoulder red dress broadens your shoulders visually, while a fit and flare style cinches at your narrowest point and flows gracefully over your hips. Rectangle shapes add curves and definition. Straight figures benefit from styles that create the illusion of curves. Peplum and belted dresses add volume and shape to your silhouette, while strategic details like ruffles or embellishments can enhance your natural proportions. A red peplum dress with a structured bodice creates beautiful curves while maintaining sophistication. Inverted triangle, soften broad shoulders. For broader shoulders and narrower hips, focus on V-neck and halter styles that draw attention downward. These necklines create a longer, leaner appearance while softening your shoulder line. A red halter dress with a flared skirt helps balance your proportions beautifully. Petite frames create length and height. Petites should embrace mini and knee-length dresses that showcase legs and create the illusion of added height. Simple, structured silhouettes work best, avoiding overwhelming details that can appear too large on smaller frames. Seasonal styling strategies. Spring and summer. 2025, bright and breezy. During warmer months, embrace bright reds with orange and pink undertones. Lightweight fabrics like cotton jersey and linen work beautifully, while loose, flowing silhouettes keep you comfortable in the heat. Red maxi dresses are having a major moment in summer 2025, from soft sunset shades to bold cherry tones. The flowy sundress trend dominates summer 2025, with red versions in cotton, voile, or linen featuring tie straps, smocked bodices, or gentle ruffles. These pair perfectly with strappy sandals, slip-on mules, or platform heels for effortless summer style. Fall and winter 2025, deep and sophisticated. Colder months call for deeper reds with purple undertones like burgundy and maroon. These sophisticated shades reflect the season's mood while maintaining red's inherent power. Siren red continues to dominate fall 2025 collections, appearing in striking head-to-toe monochromatic looks from major designers. Layer with tailored blazers in black, nude, or matching red, and choose weather-appropriate footwear like boots, oxfords, or pumps with socks and tights. The art of accessorizing red dresses in 2025 footwear. Your foundation for success. Classic neutral choices. Black shoes offer timeless elegance and create striking contrast. Nude heels elongate legs beautifully, while brown shoes add warm sophistication, especially in suede textures. Charles Keith +2 metallic magic. Gold accessories complement warm reds perfectly, while silver enhances cool undertones. Both metallics add glamour for evening events and special occasions. Grams +2 bold statement options. For those feeling adventurous, patterned or animal print shoes create on-trend, eye-catching looks. Even lime green can work surprisingly well with red for those willing to make a statement. Rosa-Clara jewelry. Less is more. Since red dresses are already statement pieces, keep jewelry minimal and elegant. Gold works beautifully with warm reds, while silver complements cool undertones. For evening events, consider diamante or crystal pieces to add sparkle without competing with your dress. Grams +2 neckline-specific tips. Simple necklines. Add delicate pearl necklaces or link chains. Rosa-Clara +1 V-necks. Showcase with pendant necklaces or leave bare. Grams +1 high necklines. Focus on statement earrings instead. Rosa-Clara +1 bags. Coordinated elegance. Choose bags that complement rather than compete with your red dress. Metallic clutches work for both day and evening events, while neutral tones like black, nude, or white provide sophisticated contrast. For summer events, consider raffia or natural fiber bags that add texture without overwhelming the look. LinkedIn +1 makeup mastery for red dresses. The classic bold look, statement eyes, neutral lips. Create dramatic impact by focusing on your eyes while keeping lips understated. Use deep, smoky eyeshadows in blacks and charcoals, building intensity gradually from the inner corner outward. Winged eyeliner adds sophistication, while false lashes or dramatic mascara complete the statement. Eye look. Lipstick queen +2. Keep lips neutral with nude shades that complement your skin tone. For warmth, consider peach or burnt orange tones. For cool undertones, opt for beige or soft brown nudes. Hollywood mirrors +1. The sultry red lip. Focus match your lip color to your dress for a cohesive, powerful look. Choose a red lipstick in the same undertone family as your dress. Warm reds with warm lips, cool reds with cool lips. Keep eye makeup minimal with nude eyeshadows and simple mascara to let your lips be the star. L'Oreal Paris Sousa +1 complexion perfection. Your base should be flawless when wearing red. Use a foundation that matches your skin tone perfectly, and opt for peachy, orange, or brown blushes instead of pink or purple tones, which can clash with red. Bronze instead of blush can add warmth without color competition. Hollywood mirrors plus one hairstyle harmony. Your hairstyle should complement your dress's neckline and overall aesthetic. Loose waves work beautifully with most red dresses, adding romantic softness. Sleek styles create modern sophistication, while casual updos like low buns suit both day and evening events. Rosa-Clara neckline considerations. Strapless or off-shoulder, showcase with updos or side-swept styles. Rosa Clara, high necklines. Opt for loose hair or low ponytails. Rosa Clara V-necks. Both up and down styles work beautifully. Rosa Clara. Occasion-specific styling. Daytime elegance. For casual daytime events, pair your red dress with denim jackets and white sneakers for relaxed sophistication. Simple scarves can add texture and interest without overwhelming the look. Keep accessories minimal and choose comfortable, walkable shoes. Professional polish. In workplace settings, layer red dresses with tailored blazers in neutral tones. Choose more muted red shades like burgundy or wine, and keep accessories classic and understated. Closed-toe shoes and structured bags maintain professionalism. Evening glamour. For formal events, embrace red's dramatic potential with statement accessories and bold makeup. Crystal embellishments, metallic shoes, and sophisticated updos elevate your look for galas, weddings, or special celebrations. Common styling mistakes to avoid in 2025. The head-to-toe red trap. While 2025 embraces bold monochromatic looks, avoid overwhelming red from head to toe without variation. If you want a monochromatic look, choose different shades of red to create tonal variation while maintaining cohesion. Color overload. Stick to the three-color rule. Let your red dress dominate, choose a secondary color for major accessories, and add accent colors sparingly through small accessories. Too many bold colors create visual chaos. Texture confusion. Avoid mixing too many textures as this creates a jarring effect. Choose accessories with finishes that contrast but don't clash. For example, crisp cotton pairs well with suede, but avoid combining tweed with ruffles. Klotzy brand +1. Undertone mismatches. The biggest mistake is ignoring undertones. Cool red dresses clash with warm orange-based accessories, while warm reds look off with cool-toned blues and purples. Always match undertones for harmonious looks. Lipstick, queen +1. Excessive makeup and hair. A common mistake is overdoing makeup and hair when wearing a red dress. Overly heavy makeup or complicated hairstyles can have the same overwhelming effect as too many accessories. High latitude style +1. Advanced styling techniques for 2025. Layering like a pro master. The art of layering to extend your red dress's versatility across seasons and occasions. Blazers in black, white, or camel create instant polish, while cardigans add cozy sophistication. Denim jackets offer casual charm, and leather jackets provide edge and attitude. Gala +1. Color coordination strategies. Experiment with analogous colors like orange, pink, and fuchsia for bold, fashion-forward looks. These neighboring colors on the color wheel create vibrant, harmonious combinations that feel intentional rather than chaotic. This trend aligns with 2025's embrace of bold color mixing. Cinderbay +1. YouTube sustainable styling practices. Invest in versatile red dresses made from quality materials that can be styled multiple ways. Look for classic silhouettes in sustainable fabrics like organic cotton, tencel, or recycled materials that will last for years while maintaining their color and shape. Nutus +1. The confidence factor, owning your red dress moment. Remember that styling a red dress isn't just about following rules. It's about embodying the confidence and power that red represents. When you feel good in your red dress, it shows in your posture, your smile, and your overall presence. Research confirms that wearing red actually increases self-perceived attractiveness, which boosts self-confidence. The most important accessory you can pair with any red dress is confidence. When you understand the psychology behind the color, choose the right silhouette for your body, and accessorize thoughtfully. You're not just wearing a red dress, you're making a statement about who you are and how you want to be perceived. Studies show that red clothing increases perceived dominance and aggression outside competitive settings, demonstrating that color influences categorical judgment of emotional expression. This means your red dress is working for you psychologically before you even speak. Your red dress success formula. Mastering red dress styling comes down to understanding 4 key elements: color theory and undertones, body type considerations, occasion appropriateness, and personal confidence. Whether you're reaching for a casual red sundress or an elegant evening gown, these principles will guide you toward looks that are both fashion-forward and authentically you. Remember that red is more than just a color. It's a statement of intention, a boost of confidence, and a celebration of your personal power. The color's unprecedented dominance in 2025 fashion means there's never been a better time to embrace red's transformative potential. By following these comprehensive guidelines while staying true to your individual style, you'll transform every red dress moment into an opportunity to shine. Ready to revolutionize your red dress game? Start by identifying your undertones and body shape, then experiment with one new styling technique from this guide. The science is clear. Wearing red will make you feel more confident, appear more attractive, and command attention in any room you enter. Your most confident self is just one red dress away. Before you dash off to plan your next red-hot look, don't forget, fashion is about expressing who you are, not just what you wear. If this video inspired you or helped you rethink your red dress strategy, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Join our community of bold, stylish women who aren't afraid to make a statement. Here, you'll get the latest trend drops, practical how-tos, all the insider tips to keep your wardrobe fresh and fearless. Drop a comment below and tell us, what's your ultimate red dress moment? Which styling tip are you trying next? Remember, every time you rock a red dress, you're not just following a trend, you're leading one. Stay confident, stay creative, and we'll see you in the next video for more style inspiration and empowerment. Until then, keep shining bright, fashionistas.